It was only a matter of time before someone shook up the pocket gimbal market, and now, that moment might finally be here. For years, DJI has dominated the space with devices like the DJI Osmo Pocket. Simple, reliable, and easy to use, they became the default choice for creators. But that dominance also led to something else: predictability. Incremental upgrades, familiar designs, and not much real innovation. Now, everything is starting to shift. Enter the Insta360 Luna Ultra, a device that doesn't just compete, it challenges the entire idea of what a pocket gimbal should be. Right away, the design tells you this is different. Instead of the traditional fixed build, Insta360 is pushing a modular approach. The twist and attach gimbal head isn't just for show, it opens up creative possibilities that simply weren't possible before. You can mount it in ways that feel more like a professional rig than a compact camera. It's flexible, adaptable, and clearly designed with creators in mind. And then there's the hardware. This thing isn't playing around. A large 1-inch sensor, strong low-light performance, and advanced color profiles already put it in serious territory. But the real standout feature is the dual-lens system. That secondary telephoto lens changes everything. For the first time in this category, you're not stuck with a wide-angle perspective. You can zoom in properly, without destroying image quality. That alone solves one of the biggest limitations creators have had for years. On the video side, things get even more interesting. Rumors of 8K recording might sound like overkill, but they signal something important: ambition. Even if most people stick to 4K, having that headroom means better cropping, sharper footage, and more flexibility in post-production. Add high frame rate options, and suddenly this tiny device starts to feel like a serious filmmaking tool. Of course, specs are only half the story. What really matters is how it fits into real-world use. And this is where Insta360 seems to be making a smart move. Instead of chasing simplicity like DJI, they're leaning into versatility. This isn't just for casual vloggers, it's for creators who want more control, more options, and more creative freedom. That does come with a trade-off. Devices like the Osmo Pocket are still incredibly easy to pick up and use instantly. No learning curve, no setup, just press record. The Luna Ultra, on the other hand, feels like it's asking a bit more from the user. But in return, it gives you a lot more back. And timing couldn't be better. With newer DJI models facing delays and uncertainty, Insta360 has a rare opportunity to step in and lead. If they can deliver on what these early prototypes promise, they won't just be an alternative, they could become the new standard. That's the real shift happening here. The pocket gimbal is evolving from a simple vlogging tool into something far more powerful. More modular, more capable, and more aligned with what modern creators actually need. The question now is simple. Do you want something easy, or something that pushes your creativity further? Because for the first time in a long time, you might actually have to choose.